Hi there, welcome to our channel. I am AI Sharan here to introduce about our channel Learn at One.
Hey everyone, I am Sharan Patil and I welcome you guys to our channel Learn at One. So guys, at start of the video you saw AI introducing about our channel Learn at One. So I Sharan Patil, with having a BIM experience, I will be teaching you architectural softwares which will help you to proceed in AEC industry, and you can look further for BIM career or else in your architectural field. So stay tuned to our channel to get a successful in or else mastery in your AEC industries. To get a skillful, you need to follow two rules of Learn at One. That is, you need to get a self-discipline and management of time. So guys, you need to make a schedule, you need to make a book where you will be watching our tutorials, and you need to make notes so that you will get a perfection in that software. So let's begin with what is BIM. So what is BIM? BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. In short, if I want to tell you, a large project which cannot be done by one or two person. So it is distributed among group or departments so that work becomes feasible faster and can be handled systematically. So what all softwares are necessary for AEC industry and BIM firms? Number one, Autocad. I know many are familiar with Autocad Basic. If not, then start with Autocad Basic and then proceed with Autocad Intermediate. Because Autocad plans are started with normal lines which most of the firms prefer till now. As based on my experience, I still see Autocad is used in many firms. So Autocad stands for number one. Number two, Revit architecture. Revit architecture or structure is must for you guys because it holds 50% of the weightage to get selected for top MNC companies or else top architectural firms. Then comes Naviswork for clad reduction, then rendering softwares like Lumion, Twinmotion, Enscape, Maya. Then you can learn Dynamo, Rhino, Grasshopper for your BIM computational. There is a huge demand for BIM, guys. I welcome you guys to our channel. Now from today you will be learning the softwares. Make a note, follow Learn at One rules. Happy learning.
Thank you for watching. Happy learning and stay subscribed for more videos.